How to set up your Exodus wallet on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can set up your Exodus wallet through your desktop. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. To set up your Exodus wallet on your desktop, like your Windows or Mac OS, first of all, make sure you've downloaded the Exodus wallet application onto your device. Once you've done that, it will ask us to start our journey. Now, if you already have an Exodus wallet, you can simply import your wallet by clicking on the Import Wallet button. But since we don't have it and we are a new user, you can click on any of these options like Receive Crypto or Buy Crypto. So I'll select Receive Crypto for now. I'll simply select an asset like a Bitcoin, let's say for example, and this will be my Bitcoin address, which I can simply choose to email this address if I want to one of my mail accounts as well. So it's as simple as that. But if you have, let's say already, you can see a wallet is being created automatically. You don't have to do anything, but you can always go to the gear icon from the top right, which is settings. And from here, you can choose to see the personalized and backup option, where you can simply create a password for your wallet and click the next option to back up your Exodus wallet account. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.